Hey tribe, Dawna here from Transformational Healing, and today we're going to make a prosperity bowl. And I'm going to show you that it doesn't necessarily always have to be in a bowl. I know that we did a DIY in the Transformational Healing Facebook group this week, but I wanted to give you an example of what that may look like, and also make sure that you are given a chance to download the free PDF that has all of the herbs, oils, crystals, and spiritual goods that can be used or might be used for prosperity, manifestation, and abundance. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm adding is green rice as a base. And I made this green rice myself by just adding, for the amount that you see here, 9 drops of food coloring to it and shaking it up in the bag. So I did it in sets of 3. So I did 3 sets 3 times for the amount that I was looking for. And I'll put the rest of it in there, because I wasn't sure how to go about coloring it. But this ended up being about 9 drops, and I'm sure that you could use a lot more drops than that if you wanted to get a slightly different color for that. And as you see, I'm not actually using a bowl. I'm using a cute little clear jewelry box, and you could put less rice in it if you wanted to. We want to make sure that we can fit our candle in here for what we're doing. So I'm going to put the candle in first. And the idea is to keep your intention in your mind and use the different items that feel good to you to use. So this is Jezebel root. I'm going to put that in the back. Jezebel is all about that come to me energy. So you want to put loose change, and for me that's 3 shiny pennies, just something that I do. I'm going to put them all in one corner though. I have a high John root to bring in blessings and protection and perseverance. Cowrie shells, which are often used for representing money. And tonka beans. Tonka beans are great for manifesting wishes, as are Job's tears. So you can place these things however you want. If you have more space, you can make a nice pretty design. You could make it like a grid. I also have some beautiful pieces of citrine. So I'm going to take 3 little pieces of citrine. I have a thing for 3s. Use whatever numbers are occurring to you to use. So I'm going to put in 3 pieces of citrine and a little bit of pyrite. I think just 1 nice piece of pyrite in here in the back. And for herbs, I'm going to put in a little bit of patchouli leaf, which is very rich and often used for manifestation and prosperity, all of that. And on this side, I have some mistletoe, which I'm going to sprinkle all across the front. Mistletoe is one of my favorites to use. Sometimes I like to use Irish kelp as well. It's great for manifestation. And we'll put the last of that patchouli over here. So then, depending on how you want to do yours, I am going to write my intention, my manifestation on the bay leaf, and I'm going to close it in this space for about 24 hours on my altar. And then I'm going to take the bay leaf out. I'm going to light the candle, burn the bay leaf safely in my cauldron, and then keep the box and often offer things to the box to manifest in the future. So you see, it can look like whatever you want it to look like: a manifestation bowl, manifestation box. Use whatever items call to you. So I hope that that helped you to figure out just one way. You can do it as many ways as you want to, but one example of how to create a spell, a box, or a bowl for prosperity. I also want to make sure that you take advantage of getting the free herbs, oils, crystals, and spiritual goods for manifestation and prosperity free PDF that's on the website. So make sure you check the description and click that link down below. Definitely check out the Transformational Healing Tribe Facebook group and join in on all the fun and all the different DIYs that we have going on. If you happen to be looking for any of the herbs and spiritual goods that were used in this prosperity box right here, you can find them on our website, transformationalhealingbydawna.com/shop. But make sure that you join our email tribe and grab your 20% off discount coupon. I hope that this helped you for making and creating your own blessing bowl or blessing box or any other types of manifestation and prosperity spells that you may be working on. It's a very similar concept to be making jars and everything like that as well. I also have a video on how to create that perfect intention, which you should check out here. And if you're looking to make a pouch to carry on you, I did an example video for that as well. We try to do videos here of ways to help you get back into balance and help you learn how to work with the different tools that are available to get that mindset shifted back to a place of prosperity and wholeness and abundance. Are you looking for other information to help you get back into balance? Well, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel because I have lots more of that coming in the future. We'll see you real soon, tribe. Many blessings.